Alright, so we're rolling. Seems like there's going to be a snowstorm in a couple hours, so I just wanted to take a moment to look and see how it looks like before. This is pretty clear, eh? It's pretty cold though, it's about -1 degrees. So I guess we'll find out in a couple hours. Alright, so I made a video yesterday about the weather in Vancouver, and it was supposed to hit last night, but it was supposed to hit yesterday afternoon, but it didn't. And I just woke up and it's like amazing. So I'm just gonna take a video of it quick. Give me 1 second. Alright. This is the difference. Oh God. It's been snowing apparently since 5 a.m. Not too much snow, but I think you can clearly see the difference. Alright, that is it.